if God forbid Kamala were president, which I would have hated, I think the Bitcoin price would be higher today.
Totally.
Um,
I totally agree.
you never know how these things go though. And I don't think you ever want to give an inch to a socialist. And, so
Dangerous game.
I'm okay. I'm okay giving up a little bit of price progression, knowing that in the long arc of history, like freedom is better. And,
Hmm.
unfortunately, this version of capitalism is maybe even past cronyism and into just kleptocracy. It's just kind of theft by the political class is kind of where we're at. Um, but even that, while it's probably morally less defensible than socialism, for humanity, it's better. Like if you only have to pay off a few people at the top and let them kind of crime and grift their way to riches, that's better than stealing from everybody way more.
Well, and shutting down a free market. If you have some grifters plus free market versus totally centrally controlled, centrally planned economy, yeah, the first one's
But you get how hard it is to
likely better for
defend that
everybody.
in polite conversation, right? Like I was talking to, I did Safe Show, I think yesterday or the day before, and he was like,
Nice.
the way that the West is just grifting and criming and how open it is and how much it's kind of cheered on and just like there's no shame and there's no resignations and nobody pays any penalty for all the crime, and in fact they can buy themselves pardons just by like knowing the Trumps or a Trump lawyer. You can't win an argument at a party with a socialist anymore. Saifedean, the smartest, best writer, best speaker basically in Bitcoin, can't win. He told me, you'll see it on the show. It's live podcast out today. Like he said he
Hmm.
can't win an argument with a socialist anymore because the morality in Western capitalism is just so fucking rotten right now.
Yeah, and they see this. Okay, well, they present their concept as the alternative to what we have, and it's like, no, no, no. I'm not saying what we have is what we want, but yeah, I
Right.
don't want what you're proposing
We're
either.
we're arguing a hypothetical and they're saying we're Robin Hood.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's it's
And
it's
so
all
we
about the
we keep on
story. It's
saying
all
like,
about feelings.
doesn't it, like when I say, oh no, just capitalism isn't being done right now, doesn't that sound like all the communists saying like, well, it's never really been done right?
Real socialism has
This
never
isn't
been
real
tried. Yeah, real
capitalism.
communism. Yeah.
You
No,
know, so
totally. Yeah,
it's
absolutely.
really it's a really rough, brutal time. I don't even think I was actually being facetious putting out a poll a couple days ago that said like, who you got, kleptocrats, communists. Like,
Mm.
what do you want?
Hmm.
Kleptocracy or communism? Those seem to be the choices. And Bitcoin is the third way. And
Yeah.
what's great about Bitcoin is like the small minority on the left that is classical liberals. Classical liberalism is perfectly aligned with Bitcoin. Classical liberalism is what this country was actually founded on. I'd say all of the founders of the United States and basically everybody that signed Declaration 250 years ago are defined as classical liberals.
Mm.
Within the right, which has fascists and kleptocrats and crypto scammers and all this other bullshit, there's a small minority of true conservatives that just want to protect the things that we've done well and
Life,
not just
liberty, property.
go fucking crazy and to progress. Like not everything needs to progress. Like learn from
Yeah.
history. Some things you just want to preserve, and they want, both of those are really kind of the same, and they just want us not to run the printer. And so,
Yeah.
where I'm at probably now is like, which party isn't going to run the printer? And maybe that's all that matters. And I don't care where they are
Mm.
on the spectrum.
Well,
And
and we don't have one. Both the parties are running the printers. I
exactly, that's why they call it the uniparty, because their whole goal is just to keep on printing money for them and their friends and to just keep on grifting, right? So, um,
I wonder what you think of
yeah.
this. I've talked to a lot of some of we both lived in LA for a while. I'm in Orange County now, but I was surrounded I kind of in academic circles for a little bit, political circles for a bit, and I was surrounded by a lot of it was hot to be a commie, especially like 5 years ago. I feel like, the socialist, Marxist, communist takes, and there's still a lot of it. maybe my circles have changed a bit, but I found that with that group, the more like explicitly Marxist leaning group, I found that you could like, as a Bitcoiner, I could come to them and like throw them a bone of like, hey, listen, Marx got maybe a couple things right. I think he's a really, really terrible guy, but you could say like, you can point to what's wrong with the capitalist systems that we've had that have been built on fiat currencies. One, centralization of power is like a law of nature to some degree. So it's natural. You'll see it flow throughout hierarchies and structures. But also too, it's like, okay, when you have that on top of broken money that allows for the rich to get richer and the poor to get poorer, as the rich become more powerful, they get more control over the control system, more control over that. And then they line their own pockets. And so you can come to them and throw them the bone and be like, hey, this thing that you feel that pisses you off, I'm totally on board with you on. Like, you're totally right about a diagnosis of the problem here. The only issue is that your remedy is worse than maybe the problem you're diagnosing to begin with. But then you can start with like, hey, I'm actually like, kind of puts you on the same team a little bit in terms of we both want to solve this problem. Now, here's your solution. Here's what's wrong with your solution. Here's why 100 million people died in the last century as a result of like Marxist policies. Maybe we should not try that. Maybe we should try, this alternative route. Let me talk to you about Bitcoin, that sort of thing.